Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping right into something so many of us are dealing with. Chronic exhaustion. That feeling of waking up tired, your productivity just crashing, and that constant brain fog. We're looking at a source that reviews an app called Leaply, which claims to be a kind of reset button for all of this. And it wasn't just about feeling stressed mentally. The users in our source material were reporting real, physical stuff. Things like chronic stomach issues, irritability, even nausea from stress. But here's what caught my eye. This app, Leaply, it has a 4.2 on Trustpilot with over 5,000 reviews. And even on Reddit, where everyone is a skeptic, the comments were actually pretty good. So this is more than just marketing noise.
Exactly. And I think the big aha moment in the material, for anyone who's felt that way, the fatigue, the anxiety, the fag, is that these aren't separate battles you're fighting.
They're all connected.
They're all connected. They are signals from one central system that is, well, basically out of whack.
Okay, so let's get into that. The science. The source says the root cause is something called low vagal tone. And they have this great analogy for the vagus nerve. They don't just call it a nerve, they call it the body's, what was it? Communication superhighway.
That's the one. It links your brain, your gut, your immune system, basically everything. And when that superhighway is clear, when your vagal tone is high, you feel it.
Yeah.
You're calm, you're focused, you feel sharp.
But when it's low...
When it's low, the source says your body gets stuck. It's perpetually in fight or flight mode. It's switched into survival gear, and that takes a massive amount of energy.
And that's what causes the exhaustion and the brain fog.
The exhaustion, the brain fog, the worry, all of it. So those signals we tend to ignore, like feeling tired all the time or anxious, they're actually clues that your nervous system is just running way too hot.
So it's not about managing symptoms, it's about a full system reset. Which brings us back to Leaply. How does it actually do that? The source material said it gives you a fully personalized plan and this part sounds like a stretch, an exact timeline to heal.
Yeah, that timeline part does sound a bit like marketing fluff, I agree. The source didn't really break down the math on that claim. But what it did highlight was the logic. Instead of just, generic advice, it figures out exactly which quick resets you need based on your symptoms.
Okay, so not the usual you should try meditation stuff.
Not at all. It's about getting rapid, measurable shifts in your nervous system.
So what are these resets? What are you actually doing for 5 or 10 minutes?
Right, and they're described as shockingly simple. No equipment, nothing complicated. You can do them anywhere. Between meetings, before bed, while you're waiting for your coffee to brew.
Simple how, though? What are they targeting?
They're targeting the vagus nerve directly, using known biological triggers. We're talking about things like specific deep breathing patterns, or even controlled sound, like humming or gargling.
Humming? Really?
Yeah, physically stimulates the nerve in your throat. Or even, say, a quick controlled exposure to cold. The idea is to use these simple biohacks to send a message to your nervous system.
A message that says, you are safe. You can power down from high alert.
Exactly. It removes all the usual barriers to, actually committing to feeling better.
So let's wrap this up. What does this all mean for you, the listener? The results reported were pretty clear. People felt it. More energy, less stress, clearer thinking. They stopped waking up feeling drained. Their productivity went up, and they just felt more balanced. The app was basically framed as this rapid relief toolkit.
Right. And I think the bigger takeaway here, the final thought is this. If you're stuck dealing with that chronic fatigue or brain fog, maybe the answer isn't to fight each symptom one by one. Perhaps the real key is to look at your system as a whole, to explore these kinds of resets, improve that vagal tone, and finally let your body's superhighway run smoothly again.